Carbon fiber is not just about appearance anymore, it is about precision, performance, and craftsmanship. And the Xiaomi SU7 Ultra is proving that point with extraordinary attention to detail across its structure, components, and overall build quality. Whether you are admiring it in a showroom or seeing it break track records, the carbon fiber work on this electric super sedan is nothing short of elite. Xiaomi has taken carbon fiber further than most production cars dare to go. In the SU7 Ultra, you will find carbon fiber used in 17 interior parts, totaling 3.74 square meters. On the exterior, it is applied across 21 structural and aerodynamic elements such as the front splitter, wheel arches, rear spoiler, and roof, amounting to 5.5 square meters in total. The front hood alone saves 1.3 kilograms in weight, while the interior components collectively shed about 12 kilograms. What really sets this vehicle apart is not just the materials, but how they are made. Xiaomi uses aerospace-grade techniques, including hand-laying the fibers and curing them in autoclaves. That is the same process used by high-end exotic brands. For example, each carbon fiber hood takes 6 hours of manual layup, followed by another 6 hours in an autoclave. Production is so intensive that only one hood can be produced per mold per day. Inside the cabin, Xiaomi blends carbon fiber with Alcantara across the dashboard, door panels, and seat backs. This not only looks refined, but enhances grip and comfort while reducing overall mass. Even the steering wheel combines carbon fiber spokes with an Alcantara grip surface and a center alignment marker, features usually seen in track cars. This is not just designed for the sake of design. Xiaomi has validated these materials on the racetrack. The SU7 Ultra has achieved the fastest production 4-door lap at several circuits in China and has set records in its class. These components are not cosmetic. They contribute directly to the car's balance, cooling efficiency, and downforce. And perhaps just as importantly, they meet safety, noise, vibration, and harshness standards. Unlike many aftermarket carbon kits, which may cut corners with cheaper layups and lack official safety certification, Xiaomi's parts are engineered from the start as part of the chassis design. That means better fitment, longer durability, and full warranty coverage, up to 5 years or 100,000 kilometers. The exterior design stands out with exposed carbon fiber weaves, gloss finish spoilers, and integrated ducts that shout performance, but also serve functional purposes. Xiaomi even offers limited edition track packages with additional carbon aero elements, inspired by Nürburgring testing. Overall, what Xiaomi has done with the SU7 Ultra's carbon fiber design is create something authentic. It is not just about going fast, it is about doing it with craftsmanship and purpose. Every piece feels considered, every surface serves a function. So if you thought Xiaomi was just about smartphones and gadgets, the SU7 Ultra says otherwise. It is a statement of intent, and it is made from carbon fiber. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from us.